I'm Debbie Kaufman. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the Math Interventions Matrix. The Matrix is a research-based K-12 resource that can help educators identify and implement interventions for students who are struggling to master critical skills and concepts identified in the Common Core State Standards for Mathematics. A selection committee of math professionals and curriculum and instruction experts from around the state came together to review these standards and developed research-based intervention lessons. These interventions can assist students who are not learning and mastering the math skills and concepts identified in the Common Core State Standards. They also identify the knowledge, skill, and behaviors that represent effective mathematics instruction. The matrix consists of over 130 intervention lessons that can be used for individual, small group, or large group instruction by a wide range of education professionals. Most importantly, these are intervention lessons. They should be considered and used only after students have received high-quality core instruction. The interventions can be used as additional instructional supports to scaffold students in grade-level learning and to close learning gaps. These lessons can be accessed two ways. One involves the assessment questionnaire. This questionnaire provides educators with a series of questions that will help determine the most appropriate interventions for individual students. The second way to access the lessons is through the intervention browser. The browser allows educators to search and sort specific interventions by grade level, domain, standard, or intervention title. To learn how to use the many features in the matrix, please be sure to view the videos in the Training Resources section of the website. While there's no charge to use this website, users must register to gain access to all the available features. If you have feedback or questions, we want to hear from you. Please do not hesitate to contact the Arkansas State Personnel Development Grant.